quiet night I found your face, like a soft glow beyond the haze. You came so gently, chasing the dark, leaving a fire inside my heart. You are my dawn star, born before the light, never fading